Understanding cutthroat business, navigating competitive waters. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of business vocabulary, specifically the term, cutthroat business. This phrase paints a vivid picture of the fierce competition found in certain industries. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a business student, or simply curious, understanding this term will give you insight into the dynamics of competitive markets. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and implications of being in a cutthroat business. The term, cutthroat business, refers to an industry or market where competition is so intense that companies go to great lengths to gain an advantage over others. This could involve aggressive pricing strategies, significant innovation, or high-pressure sales tactics. The word, cutthroat, itself suggests a level of ruthlessness, indicating that businesses in these sectors are willing to cut into their profits or throat of their competition to maintain or enhance their market position. To better understand the concept, let's look at some examples of cutthroat industries. The technology sector, particularly smartphones and consumer electronics, is a prime example. Companies constantly innovate and undercut each other's prices to attract consumers. Another notable example is the airline industry, where carriers often engage in price wars, frequent flyer perks, and service enhancements to capture market share. Surviving and thriving in a cutthroat business environment requires specific strategies. Businesses often focus on innovation, constantly developing new products or services to stay ahead of the competition. Cost management is crucial, as maintaining competitive pricing without compromising quality can be the key to retaining customers. Additionally, customer service excellence can differentiate a business in a crowded market, fostering loyalty even when competitors try to lure customers away with lower prices. While the term, cutthroat business, might sound negative, it can have positive outcomes for consumers, such as lower prices, better products, and more choices. However, the intense competition can also lead to businesses folding, which might reduce diversity in the long run and potentially lead to monopolies or oligopolies, where a few large companies dominate the market. In the high-stakes game of cutthroat business, understanding the dynamics at play can provide valuable insights into both the challenges and opportunities within competitive industries. We hope this video sheds light on what it means to be part of such an environment and helps you navigate your way through, whether as a consumer, a business professional, or an entrepreneur. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on English language learning and business vocabulary. See you in the next video.